essential elements are classified as micro and macronutrients depending upon how much is needed for the plants. This amount is very critical. Plants require micronutrients almost always in low amounts. But a moderate decrease of these micronutrients can cause deficiency, a moderate increase can cause toxicity. In other words, there is a very narrow range of concentration in which the elements are at an optimum level or optimum concentration. Any mineral ion in a tissue that reduces the dry weight of the tissue by 10% is said to be toxic for the plant. Such critical concentrations can vary among different micronutrients. It's not the same for all the elements, and the toxicity level of the element can also vary between plants. One element that is toxic for a plant at a certain concentration might not be the same for another plant. The toxicity symptoms are also difficult to identify. Many a times, excess of one element may inhibit the uptake of another element. Let's take the example of manganese toxicity. The symptoms of manganese toxicity in a leaf is the brown spot along with the chlorotic veins. Chlorotic veins is the condition where the leaves turn yellow in spite of the veins remaining green in color. This is because the chlorophyll is retained within the veins and do not make their way into the leaf blade. It is important to know that manganese competes with two elements for uptake, iron and magnesium. It also competes with magnesium for binding to enzymes. Manganese can also inhibit the translocation of calcium. Therefore, excess of manganese in plant in fact induces deficiencies of iron, magnesium, and calcium. Thus, what appears to be the symptom of manganese toxicity may actually be the deficiency symptoms of iron, magnesium, and calcium. This sort of knowledge and understanding will be important to farmers or for anyone who loves growing plants or has a garden.